Collaborative robots, known as cobots, are taking the manufacturing world by storm, especially in consumer goods. Robotiq, a leader in cobot technology, has made significant strides with over 450 palletizers deployed, addressing the critical operation of palletizing in these industries. Cobot palletizers outshine traditional systems with their flexibility, safety, and cost-effectiveness. They can be reconfigured for production changes, work safely alongside humans, and require less space and maintenance. This translates into lower investment risks and minimal production disruption. Enter the AX30, Robotiq's latest cobot palletizer, tailored for the food and beverage consumer goods sector. It's a powerhouse with a 30-kilogram payload capacity, compact design, and quick deployment. The AX30 enhances performance with 13 picks per minute and a pallet height of up to 2.75 meters. From a roasted nuts producer increasing throughput to a chocolate maker improving their palletizing process, Robotiq's cobot palletizers are proving their worth. They're addressing labor shortages, enabling business growth, and providing significant return on investment across various sectors. For those ready to revolutionize their palletizing operations with Robotiq's cobot solutions, the journey begins with a simple call to discuss tailored needs. Embrace the future of manufacturing with Robotiq's next-gen cobot palletizers,